Tired of waiting for your DoorDash earnings to hit your bank account? Well, buckle up, because today we're fueling up your knowledge on how to use your Dasher Direct virtual card right at the gas pump. First things first, open your Dasher Direct app. Make sure you've already activated your virtual card. If you haven't, there should be a clear prompt to complete the activation process, usually involving verifying your identity and setting a PIN. Now tap on the virtual card section within the app. Here, you'll see your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. This is the information you'll need to input at the pump. Head over to the gas pump and select the credit or debit option. Carefully enter the virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code exactly as it appears in your Dasher Direct app. Double-check each digit to avoid any errors. When prompted for a zip code, enter the zip code associated with your Dasher Direct account. This is usually the zip code you used when you signed up for DoorDash and the Dasher Direct card. Select your fuel grade and the amount of gas you want to purchase, then authorize the transaction and start pumping. It's that simple. After you've finished fueling up, you can check your transaction history in the Dasher Direct app to confirm the purchase went through smoothly. This also helps you keep track of your spending and gas savings. And that's it. Using your Dasher Direct virtual card at the gas station is a breeze, offering a convenient and secure way to pay for fuel and keep those DoorDash deliveries rolling. Happy dashing and safe driving.